Hi everyone, good morning. Sulah here, Uncle Salih's project. This is a sewing machine and this is a special gift from my late mom for my wedding. I have a problem here. The thread section cover here has a broken hinge, so it doesn't hold properly when it's open. And when I check it, and I realized that it has a broken hinge clamp here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scan this. Then after that, draw up the 3D CAD and I'm going to have it 3D printed. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Come, let's go. Firstly, I'll take the part and I'll just scan it on the flatbed scanner. And I'm going to transfer the scans into my computer. On my MacBook, I pull up the printer and scanner tool in preference. And I set the scan mode to flatbed and resolution to 300 dpi. And size A4 and format JPEG. Then I'll start scanning and this will scan into a JPEG image which will then be retrieved and we're going to use that image in the CAD software. The next step, using Adobe Illustrator, I created a new canvas of size 4 centimeters by 5 centimeters and I placed the scanned image of the part that I'm going to draw in CAD so that I can use this as a new canvas to trace in Fusion 360. On Fusion 360, I load up the image, then I use the software to create the part using the CAD tools. I check and make sure all the dimensions are good. Then I exported this into a STL file, of which I then print on the 3D printer. The part is then 3D printed. This is the 3D printed part that we printed. This is the original one, and this is the 3D printed, and we're going to move the spring over. After printing the replacement part, this is the broken one and I've already fixed it in there. As you can see, this is the 3D printed replacement part and now this thing is as good as new. This thing has been broken for the last 10 years, I guess. So finally, it gets a new piece here, a new part of the hinge so that this can function well. Alright, so thank you. I hope you like this, and if you learn this process of simply creating a replacement part and then 3D print it, this will help to extend the life of things. Take care and bye-bye.